Everybody,
Hi, welcome back to our channel. It has been a
Old
while.
family, welcome to the Old family.
Yeah.
Today we have a Pompom Purin cooking set.
I
So
know
we're
we
gonna see.
haven't done a video in a while. It's because my mom is a little bit busy, so
Yeah.
she can't post them.
Yeah, let's do it.
They're all Pompom pudding. The whole entire package. Okay, let's take out every single one first.
So there are 8 boxes for Rement packages.
Yes.
You don't know what you're gonna get, so you might wanna buy whole entire box.
Yeah. Sometimes you might get the same, sometimes you might get different. So we're gonna cut these out later in the video, but right now we're just gonna keep the box because we need it. And let's open the first box. Let me just move this aside.
So there are 8 of them. You don't know what you're gonna get, so you might
Every
wanna
single
get
one has a
whole thing.
Okay, I got it open. So now we're gonna see which one we got. It's stuck in here. Stuck really well.
What did you get?
I don't know. We got the shake, banana, milk, chocolate shake.
That's cute. Yeah, these are the older set.
This one is which one is it? It's number 8. There's
Number
chocolate
8?
banana milk shake.
Okay, so you got the number 8 chocolate banana milkshake first.
Yeah,
Yay!
let's open it. Oh, you also get gum?
Gum, yeah, it comes with a gum.
I don't know.
Because that's considered as a snack toy.
Yes.
So it's mainly toy, but it's considered as a snack.
Yeah,
so
because you can
see.
make the food.
It's a
So I need
toy.
scissors.
Okay.
Okay, we got the package open. First, we're gonna have the banana. There's a cut banana. Look at it. The cut tiny banana pieces. Look at it. There's a cut banana
It's so small.
and the banana slices. And this is the real banana. I'm gonna keep this in here because I don't want to lose it. So this is the banana part. Just realized something. Chalkboard butt.
So cute! Pompom pudding
And then like
chalkboard.
a little hologram.
It's nice. Knife and chalkboard. That's so cute.
Like, it's a little butt.
Yeah.
Oh no, look at Pompom Pudding.
Wow, Pompom pudding top.
Pompom Pudding looks dizzy. Look at Pompom Pudding. Okay, so we have that. We put it on here, I think.
It's upside down?
No, it's not.
That's how it goes?
And then we twist it.
Wow. Oh my god, it's so small.
And then...
The mixer, juicer. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so cool. Banana, syrup. Oh my. We need banana syrup and milk. I think banana should have been on the top.
Second box.
Yes, we're done with the first box. Let's do the second box. Okay, I need scissors.
It's open.
I got the fourth. The
Number
bread.
4? Okay,
Bread.
number 4.
Is bread.
Bread.
Oh, I've done this in Japan. They had that. You remember we went to that
Oh, yeah.
Toy Story
Yeah,
hotel?
yeah.
They had this type of
Yeah.
baking stuff.
Yes,
to
right.
decorate the bread. Okay, my mom cut it in, and this is extremely small. These are the frosting. Look at the frosting. Look at this tiny frosting. It's so tiny.
Yeah. You're gonna
A
draw.
Pompom Pudding's hat is on this
Oh
one.
my god. So small.
There's so many different type of bread.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Look at Pompom Pudding on this one.
It's so small.
It's squished. And like, I like this one. This might be Pompom Pudding's girlfriend.
Yeah.
Look, Pompom Pudding's butt. That's funny. So this is the dough, I think. This is the frosting. And then this is the timer.
Wow.
Oh, my.
Hey.
Yeah, so I'm just putting these in front of you. And this is the frosting timer and the dough box. This is the third box. What will we get? I hope we get the hamburger, my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
This might be one. Which one is this one?
Which number?
Let me see. This one?
Oh, number 5, I think.
Oh yeah, it is.
Okay.
The pudding!
Yeah,
pudding,
number
pudding!
5.
I have some gum.
Let me cut it. We got number 5, box number 5.
Yeah.
which is
the pudding.
とろりプリンの出来上がり。
Yeah, so it's like the pom-pom pudding. You know pom-pom pudding, right?
It's pudding.
Pudding.
Pompom pudding is a pudding.
Yeah.
I think English version is called flan.
Look, one of the mouses is the chef.
Oh my god, so cute.
And then this is where you put the pom-pom pudding. Make it. And this is where we get the pom-pom pudding from.
Oh, look at this cute pudding a la mode. Oh my god.
It's like this. Where was the little cap that you were supposed to open?
Huh? For the fourth box, let's see what we're gonna get.
Yeah. This is the fourth box. I'm not sure what we're gonna get because I never looked at this, okay?
Oh my god. Omurice.
Oh yeah, I remember from the Summer of Peerland, they actually do have this.
Oh yeah, omurice. 何番これ
Yeah.
?Number one. Number one.
Number one.
おもはやしだっておもはやし。のんびりお昼寝おもはやし。Number one box. Got the number one box, which is this one.
The omelet.
オムライス。
Okay, I got it. My mom got it open. Now, we're gonna put it. Look, the mouse is on top of here.
Oh my god, so small.
And then this. Oh, hey yo,
Oh yeah.
what's happening? Are they doing the butt dance? It's gonna be difficult to see.
Okay, let's open the fifth box. Let's see what we're gonna get.
I have no idea. Let's see. Which one is it? Pancake!
パンケーキパンケーキ何番
Hot cake.
ホットケーキ number 7. She got number 7
かわいい
ふかふかホットケーキ。かわいいね。Let me open it.
Look at it.
Yeah.
It's all purple pudding.
We got the ホットケーキ。
And look when you flip it over.
Wow, so cute.
So then it's like
ホットケーキだね。
so you have this, right? You
Uh-huh.
see you guys, right? Flip it. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow.
So that's
cute.
how we're gonna use it, but right now I'm gonna put it like look at that. Okay, so we're gonna take this flip
Oh,
it, and then
wow.
we're gonna take it from here.
Wow. ポンポンプリンパンケーキ。かわいいね。It's so cute.
Yeah, it's like really cute. Look at behind.
Mm.
So this is the spatula, and we have a little pom-pom pudding mug,
Oh yeah? Yeah.
honey jar. So if you want to drink some honey, then you can.
It's so small.
And then the drink is inside.
Oh yeah.
And look at it. Look at the detail.
Mhm.
You can see you're sipping it.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a cap on top.
Wow. So small. Okay, let's open the sixth box. Let's see what we're gonna find.
Because everything is a secret.
Yeah, we don't know what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah.
What you get?
Hamburger!
ハンバーグハンバーグ出たやっと。ハンバーグ is number 2? Number 2 ハンバーグ。
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, let's
I think
open
the
it.
ketchup's gonna come out. So the hamburger and cheese on top with this like pom-pom pudding. And this is, I think.
And then it came with lunch or not? Let me
Oh
count.
wait, it comes with the soup.
Oh yeah? Wow.
So before they see what the soup is, this is what it actually looks like.
Mm.
So pom-pom pudding's coming today, right now.
Yeah.
So pom-pom pudding's working at the shop, and you might never notice, but there's something cool behind this. The most coolest thing. You see this ketchup is normal, right? Is it? No, it's not. It comes out.
Wow, so much detail.
Look, mommy.
Yeah.
And then you
Wow,
put it back.
you got the recipe book.
Look.
Ketchup comes out.
Ketchup is like
Such a detail.
Look, pom-pom pudding's like, hello.
Wow, Pompom Purin is finally out.
Yeah, like pom-pom pudding's even smaller than the dish.
Finally, we got Pompom Purin. Yay!
Pompom Purin's like, I made this dish.
Yeah.
He fell. Okay, let's put it right here because the camera doesn't really fit everything, so we have to kind of squish it.
Okay.
Soup.
Ketchup. Your favorite ketchup.
I love ketchup. Hey guys, I'm Pompom Purin, and what I'm gonna do with the rest of the boxes we're gonna unlock. So
Yeah.
let's do it.
Let's do it. There are two
So
more.
he's not only gonna help me do the opening the box because I don't know how to open the box. Yeah, I'm gonna open the box
This is the seventh box. Let's see what we're gonna get.
because there's 8 boxes in this. Cookies!
Cookie が焼けたよ。Number 3. We got number 3. Cookie が焼けたよ。
Yay! I love cookies!
It's cookies. Wow. Let me cut it here.
I just don't like getting cooked. Why? I think Pompom Purin's getting too excited to open his new restaurant, so I'm gonna let him go over here and do that. So now we're gonna open the oven. Hey, this is my oven. It's even bigger than me. Look, you can actually open it. Look.
Yeah. This is a cooking sheet. Cooking sheet. I just cut it out. You go inside the cookie pan.
And then the mouse or squirrel.
Wow. Let's see.
Then we're gonna put it in the oven. Wait, where's the timer? We need the timer. Okay, wait.
There was a timer somewhere earlier. The first one.
I think it's which one was it? I need to get up out here. Thank you. I need a timer. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Ding ding, ding ding, ding ding. Okay, it's done. Okay, turn off this timer. I don't want to hear it anymore.
Okay, cookies down.
And then it's hot, okay? Make sure. Be careful. I'm gonna help.
Yeah, cookies down. Wow. That's such a small, cute cookies.
Yeah, I pulled it out.
Wow. Let's open the last box. Here you go.
Last box is definitely the cake.
Oh, it's a cake, huh?
Yeah. Pompom Purin is like my favorite dessert. Okay, we
Last
have.
box is cake.
Yeah.
Which is number 6 here. スペシャルなケーキにトッピング。
Yeah, so these are the toppings. Look, these are the toppings.
Oh, those are toppings?
Yeah.
Oh my god, so small.
And then this is the cake. Wow. Cake's pretty big. He said, this is my special cake that I put for people's birthdays.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put this on. But first we have to decorate it. And you don't know what it is, right? Okay, look at the frosting. It comes out.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, now we have this, right? We're gonna splat it, splat. Actually, no. This is for the cauliflowers. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna put these 2 other friends, you know. The mouse and the bunny. Mouse and bunny are friends. Look, mouse and bunny are here.
Wow, so small. Okay, here.
And the cake is done.
Wow.
Cake is done, my favorite. I want to eat it already. But I
Mm-hmm.
can't because it's for my customers. Yay! And these are the cooking supplies.
Okay. We're gonna cut out this box, which is gonna be the background. Like a kitchen,
I finished
floor. Let's see. Let me cut it out. Hey, we finished the background. So, we're gonna play the kitchen. Thank you for watching the Daisuki Cooking Pompom
Make sure
Purin.
to subscribe to the video and share it with other people.
Thank you.